Earlier this year, I bought a tested and working Commodore 1541 2-disc drive off of eBay. This is its story.
Power untested, huh? Sure. Meh. That's a good sign. Testing also this thing out, which is a breakout adapter. Quality could be better, but okay. Oh man, you know what? Stop. I think this just worked. Alright, give up. Well, this isn't great, so I'm pretty sure there's mechanical-ish damage in here. I tried something and then gave up, just like there's no disc in there. So I'm having a feeling it's a mechanical issue, but the drive itself is fine. Well, the cap is off. Let's see here. Oh ho ho, what see we here? All right. See if we can address this with one hand while recording. Where? Oh, it's right here. Let's see if this works. Push this down, like so. And press this guy in while keeping it up. Tricky. Oh yeah. You see that? That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you fix a 1541 disk drive. Where's my disk? Here it is. The hell is... Don't mind the fact that the disk is gnarly. It should be good enough to at least test this. Well, there we are. There we are. All right. Now, while we're at it, read head assembly moves freely. Moves very freely. No gunk. Motor spindle. Moves freely. Then again, I heard the motor already run, so that was normal. And stepper motor here. Oh, that's a stepper motor here. That's the stepper motor for the drive. But yeah, it works. And this, oh, that's the indirect drive. So I'm guessing. If I'm moving this will turn. And it sure does. Can't probably see it on the camera, but you can. So I bet you that with that little thing, this thing will work. Stay tuned. All right, much later. Kids are in bed for the most part. Here we are back with our 1551-2. Let's flick the power switch. It comes on and stops. Good. Disc in. Okay, that worked. Load. load 1 8. I think the program is called 1. Let's see. Oh, balls. Still not running. Well, it could be because the disk is broken. Let us see if I can find me a new floppy that didn't quite have such a rough life as this one here before I got it. Let's find out. That sadly wasn't it. If I do something like this, go like here, flip this guy down so it's pressed. I already cleaned the head with IPA and hit return. It'll do this. And that's it. And then it'll hang on searching here. So I've seen this before, but I can't quite remember what it is. So more figuring out. I'm wondering if this guy here it all moves. Like, is there a way for us to exercise the stepper, I wonder? Don't know. I think that's a tomorrow problem. So we have the drive here exposed. Removed the connection to make the drive go spinny spin, and removed the right head. That's what I noticed whenever I do load, the head won't budge. So this is just the connection for the head. And when I exercise it, initialize the disk like so, and I exercise it, yeah, head is moving in both directions. Oh, nice. Head's moving in both directions. So it's not the stepper. Yay. It's not this one here either, because we saw the drive spin right upon boot up. So the head, question mark? The reed amplifier likes to break sometimes. Uh-oh, I really hope it's not that surface mounted thing there, because that would suck. This one here, when you put it on, I exercise this thing. It works perfectly. But as soon as I remove this and put the spinny spin assembly in, which works, right? I assumed it worked because normal startup behavior, and now we exercise the drive. It runs, it stops, it hangs. And as soon as I turn the drive off, then it returns. So there's something wrong with this situation here. Interesting. Captain's log supplemental. You won't believe it, but this disk drive is now fine when you do something like load. Like this. And it'll work just fine. The difference is I got this new power supply here, which is a power supply, aftermarket power supply for both the 64 and the 1541-2. It's this kind here, off of an eBay seller. Before I was using this one, and someone on the forum said, well, this Everwave or Electrowave sometimes gives issues for the 1541-2s. And he's right. Switch the power supply, it works. The only thing different or wrong with this drive hence was the fact that this little thing there slipped out. Drive is perfect.